Hey, Dr. Clark coming at you with another differential equations check your understanding video. We're in section 4.3, which means we're looking at solving homogeneous linear differential equations like this one right here. And so as we should have learned, the key is to convert the differential equation into a characteristic equation. And so the characteristic equation for this problem would be s cubed plus 8s squared plus 12s equals 0. So remember, each derivative gives you a power of s, so third derivative, s to the third power. And then we do some algebra on that, so we factor out the s. That gives us s times s squared plus 8s plus 12. And then I'm hoping that's factorable. 12 is what? 6 times 2? Yeah, so s plus 6 and s plus 2, set that equal to 0. So s could be 0, -6, or -2. Those are the solutions to the characteristic equation. But of course, that means that we can use those values of s to give us a solution to the differential equation. So our general solution, y of t, should be c1 e to the 0t plus c2 e to the -6t plus c3 e to the -2t. And usually we write e to the 0t as 1. So a simpler way to write that would be c1 plus c2 e to the -6t plus c3 e to the -2t. And that is our general solution to that homogeneous linear differential equation. We turn the differential equation into an algebra equation. We use our algebra skills, and then we understand that roots of the characteristic equation generate functions which solve the differential equation. And you can check that each one of these should be a solution. If it's constant, the third derivative is 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. If you have an e to the -2t, what's going to happen? Your third derivative would be what? -8 e to the -2t. Your second derivative would be 4 e to the -2t, and your first derivative would be -2 e to the -2t. And when you add those up, you'll get some number of constants equal times e to the -2t, and the constants will cancel out because the algebra is going to do exactly the numbers that make that work. So that is it. If you can take the dE, make the characteristic equation, find the roots, you can write down solutions, at least to homogeneous linear differential equations like that. So hopefully you got that one right. Remember to reflect on your learning, and if you had questions or comments, put those in and give yourself a score, and hopefully you're doing well and you can just feel good about your learning. If you got questions, then you might want to do some extra practice problems or come in and ask a question. All right, we'll see you next time.